Maladaptive daydreaming, also known as excessive daydreaming, is a disordered form of dissociative absorption associated with vivid and excessive fantasy activity that often involves elaborate and fanciful scenarios. It can result in distress, can replace human interaction, and may interfere with normal functioning such as social life or work. People who suffer from maladaptive daydreaming can spend more than half their days in vivid alternative universes. Maladaptive daydreaming is typically associated with stereotypical movements, such as pacing or rocking, and the need for musical stimulation. One of the lead researchers of maladaptive daydreaming, and the person who coined the term, is University of Haifa professor Eli Sommer. Sommer's definition of the condition is extensive fantasy activity that replaces human interaction and/or interferes with academic, interpersonal, or vocational functioning. Many human experiences range between the normal to the abnormal. Daydreaming, a form of normal dissociation associated with absorption, is a highly prevalent mental activity experienced by almost everyone. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.